This is the first of a 10-part video series that walks you through the Zermatt introduction, Zermatt navigation, your first Zermatt video. This tutorial will explain you the various workflows, how to use the product. This is the Zermatt homepage. In this page, you get all the information that is required to get started with Zermatt. Here you have the setup and configuration links, and you can also know what is new in Zermatt. The navigation bar on your left can be used to quickly move between the workflows. In this page, you can view the concepts and terminologies used in Zermatt. Here you can view the various workflows, the first being the configuration task, under which we have archive location setup, the lab equipment setup. The second workflow is the administrative task, where we can manage the user permissions and we can check the audit logs. The third one is the planning task, where we have the different planning that we do, like the release planning, the requirements planning, we design the test cases. And the last workflow that we have is the reporting task, where we have the various quality dashboards and reports. This page is designed to assist the user to how to get around with the Zermatt product. Here we talk about the way the screen is organized, where to find shortcuts to your screens last visited, how to backtrack your steps from where you are now, how to find contextual help, and what the different icons mean. First, we have the screen layout, which has been divided into several sections. Then we have the navigation bar on your left. We also have the main display area, which we would be seeing in the next screen. We have the breadcrumbs, which can be found on most of the pages that are at leaf nodes of a workflow. The purpose of the breadcrumbs is twofold: to identify the objects selected during the navigation of the current workflow to arrive at the current page, and to allow the user to backtrack easily to a previous step along the current workflow by clicking on the link. We also have some of the icons which are mentioned below in this page. This page is the product listing page for Zermatt. Here we have the product name in this field. The next field is the action field, where we have the different icons like the edit icon, the delete icon, the copy icon, the reports icon, and many more. This is the description for the product. Then we have an acceptance criteria, which are the conditions to be satisfied for this phase of the project to be considered successfully complete. We have certain milestones, that is planned steps, example any order to be followed in reaching completion. And we have schedules, duration, frequency of builds, assignments, etc. Then we have the releases for each product here. We have test suites for each product, and we have features. These icons above, the first one is to create a new product. The second one is to paste product row from clipboard, and the third one is to fill all product details from clipboard. These blue icons are the breadcrumb hints. Now, to explain the breadcrumb navigation, we will get into the Zermatt product, which is listed. Now we are into the releases in Zermatt. Now we go into the project phase for beta release. Now, under the project phase for beta release, we go into the test plans. Now we can view the breadcrumb navigation. That is, we can backtrack to any of the other phase that we have just crossed. Suppose we want to go back to the release phase. So now we are in the project phase once again. Now if we want to go back to the project, if we want to go back to the product, we can click on Zermatt. We are now back on the product listing page. From the left navigation bar, we can view the dashboards. Thanks for watching this video.